So 6D Technologies, before I start with the transformation journey, 6D Technologies was founded in 2002 and we have 150 customers across 80 plus countries. And we are a 2,000 people team headquartered in India. And we are serving customers across the globe. So the journey of 6D has been to help our customers and partners because most of our customers and partners comes from the telco side. And they were all having challenges in how do they transform and enhance their business to meet the new market requirements, which was primarily targeting B2B, B2C, B2B2X, and also the B2G segments. So what we have held over the last 10 years, specifically the last 10 years, even though we've been founded for 22 years, last 10 years, we have seen a lot of our customers and partners really having challenge on how they would transform their business to achieve the new milestones which they have set from their business strategy. So 6D Technologies has been helping them in enabling their business with the new digital transformation stack what we have across the BSS platforms, IoT, eSIM capabilities, the customer engagement platform sides, also from the digital service delivery platform, and also from the sales and distribution transformations. So what we have done is that we have gone to the customers, we have also explained them how the new trend in the markets are, also associating with GSMA, also with TM forums, telling them these are the advantages what you have when you move from legacy and transform that using a new digital stack. So some of the case studies which I would take, like we have a very great customer across APAC, which we are in the process of doing transformation. We're doing an end-to-end business transformation for this customer, which means not just the technology stack, we are also transforming the entire way the business has been done, right from the network, the marketing, the operations, the customer care, the finance, and also the technology stack. And we are also using consulting firms with us to enable this. And we have seen a lot of value add being created for the operator. So this is one of the major transformations what we are doing. Along with that, we are also helping our customers to go on cloud because some of the customers across APAC, Europe, and even in the US and also in the Africa side, we are helping them to go on hyperscalers, bring down the TCOs which they are operating today, and helping them to move to a new digital strategy so that the customers and the partners of our telcos are not just a legacy player, he's a digital service provider. So with TM Forum, we've been associated from last 6 years, and we've been an active participant with TM Forum as well. What we have seen when we have to move from legacy to digital, we have seen the best practices which is coming from TM Forum, right from the way the APIs has been created, the open API standards what we follow, the ODA digital architecture, the ODA ready to go status, all these initiatives what we have seen is when we have to transform a legacy platform, one of the major challenges what we had is the ways the integration happens with all the different third parties and the elements which are there on a legacy opco. TM Forum has helped us to enable these APIs as open standards so that the integration time what we spend on moving the telco when they are also transforming their business from legacy to new digital, this has helped us to define a standards. Now coming from 6D Technologies, the entire product line what we have, these are all cloud native, these are all built on microservice architecture. So it was important for us as well to follow the standards, and I can definitely vouch that these ODA standards and the way we follow the open API standards and the certification, even we are a platinum certified API standards with TM Forum as well, and we have a lot of APIs yet to be certified. Our roadmap is to reach around 50 plus APIs in the next 2 quarters. So we see there is a value created, and the time to market for our customers and partners who are telcos and the enterprises who serve these telcos, we have helped these APIs to achieve their time to go to market. Like we have reduced the time to go to market, and we have also enabled them as a digital provider because these APIs will help the telcos also to achieve their final goal of digital service providers, and also the capabilities which TM Forum is bringing across AI, the other areas of BSS, cloud capabilities. These are some things which we definitely see a value. last 10 years, we've been working with many tier one opcos. One of the major objective for us when we go to our customers and partners, we work as a trusted partner. So more than just a partner, I always emphasize that we are called as a trusted partner. So one of the objectives there, or at least I see as a CTIO for the next 3 years, is from the technology stack, we just don't leave it only from the way digital transformation to be achieved, but also help them to also see the kind of data which comes. How do we enable this data to boost the business for our customers? So our customers works across today multiple segments, B2C, B2B, IoT, MVNO segments, and also on the 5G areas. So all these areas, we are putting a lot of focus today, not just enabling with the digital stack, but also helping them in enabling the process what they have. How do they automate their process, and how do you bring the capabilities of AI? Because that is something which we are really focusing on for the next 3 years, where AI also is built in as a stack capability in our technical stack, so that they can leverage the capability of the data which comes in and also identify new business segments. And it's not just identifying the new business segments, but also helping them into streamline and optimize their operation cost. How do they optimize and improve the customer experience? How do you create new upsell opportunities? So these are some of the strategies what we have on the next 3 years. And definitely from the perspective of TM Forum as well, we have a lot of things to be done along with TM Forum. So we are also working very closely with them. As I said before, we're looking out next 2 quarters having around 50 plus APIs, along with the 32 APIs which we have today to be already certified. So we have another 18 plus APIs to be certified in the next 2 quarters. We're also working on the ODA Go status. So there is a lot of initiatives happening from that perspective. And we have also defined an internal strategy, which I call it as RISE 27. It's like building resilience platforms with innovation strategy and engineering. So that also puts a lot of focus to our customers and partners. How do we help them on improving their processes, optimize the processes, and also deliver them as a trusted partner products?